Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Elda. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing first impressions on a lot of new makeup that I have received and I have not been able to, get my hands on. I don't know. I have two palettes that are new that I received this month. This was a Christmas gift and I purchased the iluvsarahii Through My Eyes from the Colourpop collection, and this was the nude Huda Beauty palette. I really love this palette. It's very nude. It has all of these. That red is calling my name. These right here are calling my name as well. This one's gorgeous. I can't wait to actually create a full look using this palette. But today's video, I have one that's really calling my name. Like, I have to get my hands on it today. And it's the Through My Eyes palette. And I want to play with this green color. Emerald Dream. And it's beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and create a look using this color. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Enough to chatting. I have the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. And this is in shade. What shade is this? Ivory. And I have the KKW concealer as well in shade number 4. I believe this might be a little too light for me. I might have to purchase another shade, maybe number 5 or 6, maybe number 6. But I do feel like it's a little too light. I did test it on the back of my hand, and I think this one might be a little too dark. Well, no, it might be perfect. It might be fine. We're going to go ahead and put the Kylie Jenner concealer on our eyelid as our primer. We're going to go ahead and put it all over our eye. Go ahead and use sandalwood all over our eyelid. And we're going to go ahead and place it with a big fluffy brush from the Morphe collection from Jaclyn Hill, JH30. Grab the whole, just go ahead and tap on the eyeshadow to our lid, just to basically set our concealer. Go ahead and dip into Wild Soul, and that is the mustardy color. Mustardy, is that even a word? Focusing the color right on the outer V and then bringing it into the crease. We're gonna go ahead and build it up to the color that we desire. Grab an 8-clean brush, and this is the Morphe brush JH36. We're gonna go ahead and blend that transition color all over our eyelid. We're gonna go ahead and dip into Divina using the Morphe brush JH37, focusing the color on the outer V. Now the iluvsarahii palette does not have a matte brown shade, which I kind of need. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the chocolate palette. I'm gonna dip into Truffle, that brown shade. You can use any brown shade that you have at home. Doesn't have to be from this palette. It can be from any palette. It looks like this. We're gonna focus that color right on top of the Divina color that we just laid. Dipping back into Wild Soul. We're gonna go ahead and dip into Emerald Dream. It's a beautiful, beautiful green bluish color. It looks like a mermaid color. Should I add this one? What do y'all think? Should I? Should I not? Should I not? Yes, yes, yes. Should I? Should I not? I'm so indecisive. ¿Qué hago, Dios mío? ¿Qué hago? Go ahead. A ver cómo se ve. Okay, I did grab a little tiny bit of the Stila Glitter Glow highlighter, and it's in the shade Admirial, I believe. But it looks really pretty. I got it for $7 at TJ Maxx, guys. I was surprised. Go ahead and just put it right in the center of the lid, and then just go ahead and blend it in with the rest of the eyeshadow. But yes, our main focus is right in the center of the lid. If you do want to add a little bit of glitter, you don't have to, but it's just, you know, I wanted to. A little extra beige. We're gonna go ahead and wait for this to dry down. We're gonna go ahead and work on the other eye. I'll be right back once my other eye is done, and we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Becky G highlighter and from Colourpop in the shade Cheesemint. I have not tried it yet, but I'm about to. Go ahead and take this off. Now these lashes that I have on, they're not no brand name. I bought them off. Where did I get them from? AliExpress, I believe. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If y'all did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace. Deuces. You know I'm bad at this.